At EIE, we want to support teachers in developing their practice and confidence as well as their content knowledge. EIE's Computer Science Essentials units are scaffolded learning experiences that each culminate in an open-ended design challenge. These challenges provide opportunities for students to be creative while building problem-solving mindsets. Open-ended design challenges have many possible solutions, and the path that students take to reach those solutions is just as important as the results. This cycle introduces two tools to support you and your students on this path: the engineering design process and habits of mind. Both tools help students structure their problem-solving approach. They also help educators know what to look for as indicators of student progress. Using the tools establishes a solid foundation and builds confidence for tackling computer science challenges.